So if you're planning to come to Germany, this is the right time, guys, because German government is relaxing laws. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, then my name is Shraddha and I make useful videos related to Germany. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, because I make content that would be very helpful for you if you are planning to move to Germany. And today we are going to talk about new immigration law that would be implemented soon in 2022. So listen up, guys. If you are interested and looking forward to move to Germany, then this video is for you. So as you already know that Angela Merkel has retired and left her position. And now there is a coalition government that is formed between SPD, FDP and Greens. So this new coalition government is planning to relax their law and want to attract more expats and immigrants who want to come to Germany and also looking forward to stay here for longer terms. So today I'm going to talk about these laws which we can expect to be passed and implemented in 2022. And let's start with number one, which is this coalition government is planning to give dual citizenship. Now, you heard me right. If you're looking forward to become a citizen in Germany, then you can, of course, take dual citizenship if your country also allows. So now Germany is planning to give this citizenship because many people are living in Germany for many years. Earlier, Germany was giving this dual citizenship offers to only EU candidate or the citizens of Swiss, but now it has relaxed. Now Germany will be giving dual citizenship to anyone who has been living in Germany for more than 5 years, which is a very good thing for those who have been living in Germany for a long time, and for also those who want to stay in Germany and also don't want to leave their citizenship back in their own country. So you can apply for dual citizenship once this law gets implemented, and we are hopeful that it will be, because in many articles, many news, it has been already discussed. It just has to get passed. So this law will help those people who have been living in Germany for many years, like Turkish people who have been spending like 20 or more than that years in Germany, but they don't want to lose their citizenship of Turkey, so they were not able to take dual citizenship, or they were not able to become German citizen. But now they can avail this dual citizenship based on this new law. This new law is still under discussion, guys, but there has been many news coming up that this will be implemented in 2022, and this news is very good and wonderful for those who want to settle down in Germany in a long term. So if you're planning to come to Germany, this is the right time, guys, because German government is relaxing laws, is giving more and more flexibility, and also easing out the process of becoming a citizen of Germany, or they're also giving PR in lesser time. Like I already made a video on new immigration law, which you can find here. In this, I already talked about that Germany has reduced its PR requirement. So earlier the requirement was that you have been living in Germany for 5 years, then only you could file PR. But there were exceptions, of course, like if you have graduated from Germany, then you could apply in 24 months. And additionally, you should be paying taxes for those 2 years. So those 2 years is the requirement if you have graduation from Germany. Again, you can find more information on the laws, the immigration law. I will link it down in the description, so do not forget to check out the description of this video. I'm very much excited to see how this new government implements these laws, and when we have finally these laws in place, I would be giving you many updates. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's move on to the next section. But here's the catch: if you want to become a citizen, then you have to contribute to Germany's economy, and you have to pay taxes. Again, taxes is a major part even in applying for permanent residence. Like I already mentioned, PR has also been relaxed. So earlier it was 5 years you could apply for PR, and now it is just 3 years. And if you have graduated from Germany, then you can apply in 24 months, which is 2 years. Additionally, you have to take care that you have been paying taxes for these 2 years. Now further, you can reduce this time up to 6 months by giving B1 level. So you need to prove your German of course language proficiency, and even in applying for citizenship you need to prove that you are at least B1 level. So this is the criteria for applying, one of the criteria to be eligible to apply for dual citizenship or permanent residence. Additionally, if you are an EU blue card holder, then you can apply for PR just in 3 years. But again, you need to pay taxes, you need to contribute in German economy by paying taxes, and that's one of the criteria that you have to fulfill, and these taxes you should be paying for at least 2 years. So that's the requirement and a must for applying to permanent residence. So you can see that new government is planning to attract more expats, immigrants for studying or for working in Germany, because Germany is in desperate need. So I have already shared a video in which I have shown you how Germany is in desperate need of workers and what immigration laws has changed in 2021. So make sure to watch this video to understand. Also, I will link down the articles, important ones that you can give it a read, and you will understand the laws better. So I guess it is very easy to get permanent residence, and many students ask how they can stay in Germany after completing their graduation. The process is very simple. Once you have completed your graduation, you will be given a job seeker visa of 1.5 years. So once you have completed your graduation, your residence permit will be converted into job seeker visa, which would be for 1.5 years. So in this period you have to find job for yourself, and it is very easy process. You just have to submit your graduation certificate, your degree certificate to the Ausländerbehörde, saying that you have completed your degree, and then you will be of course booking the appointment, taking all the documents, and that would be giving you, I guess in 1 month you will have your job seeker visa, in which you will be allowed to find job, even to work and test some jobs. You can work for 6 months or so, see if the job fits as per your requirements and liking, and then you can accept or reject the job. You can change the job. So that privileges are given to you in job seeker visa. I guess it's very simple. Once you have graduated, you have the option to stay in Germany for 1.5 years. Then you have the really easy and smooth process to convert your student visa and work visa once you have found a job. Then you can apply for PR, or you can also get EU card based on the requirements if you satisfy those requirements. For example, if your salary is above 57,000 something euros per year, then you can get EU card easily. Plus, your contract should be a permanent one, not a time limited contract. So that is again very important if you want to get EU card in Germany. And once you have an EU card for, I guess, more than 2 or 3 years, then you can apply for PR. So again, like I said, so it's a very structured manner. They have placed these things, how you can plan your long-term stay in Germany. So if you're looking for masters in Germany, watch my videos, follow my channel, subscribe, because then only you wouldn't be able to miss any video and any update about life in Germany. So I will get back to you with more useful information in my next video. Until then, bye.